Yo, J Fry. What we got here? 34. Spark plug change today. Kind of had it for a little bit, but is kind of running a little different now that especially I got the new ECU in there, other little upgrades on here. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna change the spark plugs out and see how good or bad they are. Come check me out. So what we got? The old plugs don't look too well. And then here's the new ones we're gonna put in. As you can tell, not so great. They've been used. Been getting some driving out of this. But this was, completely stock motor. So can't blame it, right? All right, let's get to it. By the way, the motor's still hot. So I have to bend over it very carefully. That about it. Don't do what I did. All right, there we go. Got it plugged in. All right, I think we look pretty good. All right, well, stay tuned. We'll go find my center console valley, then we'll be back to put it on. So I got the valley, cleaned it off a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and install the parts that we need. Put it back and get it back running. Gotta be careful because it's freshly painted. So I don't want to scratch up my paint, which I already did, but we're not gonna tell nobody. Sorry, my gasket came off. See, the RBs are not hard, but just time consuming. That's why a lot of shops charge a lot of money. Time consuming. Like when we do at GS Motorsports, when we do this twin turbos upgrade, a lot of work. I'm gonna let him do all the work. I mean, I'll help. I'll give a helping hand. I got 2 hands available, maybe 2, but you know, we'll see how we work it out. And I'm helping him today by, you know, doing my own spark plugs. Right, well, that was not so hard, just a lot of time. Well, I guess now it's time to test it out, see if it sounds any better or different. Just because you get new plugs don't mean it's better all the time. But we'll give her a crank and see what she thinks. Don't worry, I'll show you the under the hood and how we're gonna detail her out with all McGuire stuff. Nothing but the best for the best. Let's see what we got. I don't know about them damn spark plugs, but we'll test them out. So, also yesterday we did a lot of upgrades to the car. So still working out some fine kinks. It might be part of that problem, but got new injectors in. Put it on E85, still stock turbo, stock everything else, but coming along. Drives pretty good though, more badass than it was before when it stopped. But yeah, later on in this video I'll show you the hood, but that's pretty good, sounds pretty good. Take a listen. Sounds pretty good. I think we're good. Well, I'll be back and I'll show you the engine bay, how it looks now. So here we have your R34, just a normal GTR, stock, still stock, but I can't keep nothing stock. So what we got, I already painted the valve covers. They weren't that pretty from the get-go. Hey, it's okay, the red was good, but hey, why not match the same color as my new brake disc pads? So I'll show you those in a little bit. But so what I did at GS Motorsports, we went here, got the fuel rail with injectors. Let me zoom in. See, those are not stock. I love that. Hey, HKS, I love my brand. With the pressure regulator toe main. And just paint it a little bit, make it look nice underneath the hood. So it was completely stock with the factory tune from Nismo, making just shy of 400 horsepower. Now, what is it making now? A lot more, because I don't know, but I'll show you a scene where it moves. But so what we have is still completely stock, just injectors in E85. That's all we added, and it's a dramatic difference of power we have here. I'm in love with this car. Like, I have 3 GTRs, but I'm in love with how this is coming out. This is coming out great. I love it. Stay tuned. You know what? Please follow and like everything you see, because guess what? There's more. I can't keep nothing stock here. I always got to mess with something on all 3 of my cars. Actually, they're coming back out. Trust me. See you in the next one.